So far, we reviewed a wide range of devices on our channel. A few months ago, we got our hands on the Orbital2 Creative Console, which caught our attention due to its potential features. We decided to use the device daily for 2 months to assess its effectiveness. In addition, the use of ergonomic tools has been found to elevate efficiency and productivity, while reducing the likelihood of workplace injuries and discomfort caused by repetitive motions. Today, we are excited to share our experience and insights about this device. So, let's get started. Initially, the device felt sleek and compact, fitting comfortably in our palm. It featured a joystick and 8 switches that allowed us to perform any operation with just our fingertips, regardless of whether we were left or right-handed. Due to the Orbital engine, we were easily able to perform tasks such as zooming in and out and adjusting brush size, which made it a great fit for creative software. Overall, we found the device to be a helpful tool for improving our workflow and reducing strain on our hands and wrists. Although the device is completely plug and play, we highly recommend you to download the dedicated software to be able to use the pre-existing profiles or create a new one. We used the Orbital2 Creative Console for various creative tasks such as graphics design, illustration, image, as well as video editing. The console's Orbital Engine mode was an impressive feature that allowed us to perform various functions by simply tilting and twisting the joystick. It was an intuitive and convenient way to navigate through the system's interfaces. For easy animation works, this included zoom in and out, and brush size adjustment. The Photoshop screen also rotates by turning the dial, which was quite impressive. For editing videos more easily, it included sequence and audio track enlargement or reduction, and frame movement. We liked the joystick, which helped us switch between tools such as eraser, pen, and brush, making tasks in creative software more simple. The flat ring interface offers users the option to choose between single-click or pop-up menu with various options, which makes it an incredibly versatile and customizable tool. Despite having only 8 switches, the possibilities are endless, allowing users to achieve their desired actions with ease. We were thankful for this handy feature that enabled us to assign keyboard shortcuts for multiple functions onto one portable device. Flick menu is recommended for creative work using a pen tablet. By flicking the ring-shaped menu that expands around the mouse cursor, various functions can be executed. We found this well received not only by illustrators, but also by video creators who use a lot of mask functions. We have noticed that this device supports keyboard key assignments, repeated key presses, and long presses as well. In addition, a UI menu with a screen overlay accelerates keystrokes in creative scenes, which is useful for designers who use multiple software programs at the same time. During our testing, we were able to perfectly control a range of creative software programs, including Clip Studio Paint, Medibang Paint, Painter, OpenCanvas, and many others. The device worked smoothly and efficiently with the programs in our system. It also has a click function that allows us to double-click or click the middle button with a single push. Another great thing is that the device is equipped with over 300 key assignments and joystick switch sensitivity settings, which allows users to quickly customize the software for their preference and improve their creative environment. We appreciate the high-resolution rotary encoder of this device, which has 32 pulses per resolution. The metal shaft with clickable rotation provides a smooth feel and can be incredibly useful for precise movements and adjustments. Additionally, the tact switch has a force of 1.0 Newton. Although lighter than other switches, it still offers reliable feedback that can enhance the efficiency of your editing workflow. These features work together seamlessly to provide a productive and hassle-free experience. The Orbital2 Creative Console is great for creatives who want to speed up their workflow and improve productivity. The device is compact and ergonomically designed. In our hand, the size fits perfectly in the palm, and the ergonomic design reduces strain on the wrist, which helps us to work in a comfortable environment that is less tiring and less prone to joint pain. We were impressed with its functionality and ease of use. The joystick and dial were intuitive and easy to use, and the 8 switches made it easy to access the functions we needed without having to move the cursor to the menu bar. The program macro function was especially useful, as it allowed us to execute multiple commands with a single push. Ultimately, Orbital2 Creative Console eases creators' workflows with its intuitive design. Recommended for anyone who wants to increase productivity and make the creative process more comfortable.